Ben Leota! Okay, I've got to find me, I've got to go. Okay then, déjeuner, je m'appelle, okay, bonjour. Give me attitude, that's it. Just imagine, it's not okay, okay? Oh, what the... Come on, girl, work it out, you gotta work it out. Your name, brother? Okay, show us what you got, young blood. All the way to the end, bro. All the way to the end. Wow, one out of here. Bye. Nice. Okay then, Sharon. Shine! Now shine your shyness on everyone. Shine on them. Good. Then what? What's up, man? What's up? What you got, dog? What you got? Yeah? How you living? Yeah? What? And what? Okay? Show me what you got, man. Oh, yeah. There we are. Okay then, Mr. DJ, if we can take it down a bit. So there we go, guys, if you can turn around, you can smile, it's all right, yeah. So turn around, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna go by the whole crowd participation thing. Please, when I put my hand over the person, you indicate by applause who is your favorite. So let's turn around, guys, and we'll just stay where you are so everybody can see you. So we'll start from our left over here, Mr. Ben Leota. Dajane, Etewati, turn around. Okay, Jay, and we've got Jay. No, Jay, no. Leave it, Jay. Jay, that's not okay. Sharon, shine, Sharon. And last but not least, all the way from Pago, turn around. Yes? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think, beyond a shadow of a doubt, Mr. Yes, Leota, can you come here? Let's give it up. Thank you so much, guys. And one more time, Mr. DJ, let's show them why he's the #1 Samoa top model of 2010. Work it out, Ben. Aruiai. Aisa. Bawaile tama. Bawaile out of the hotel flight. Oi. I want to Zumba. Yeah, Marolava. Let's give them a big round of applause. Awesome, guys.